Hello, my friend. I just want to give you a little bit of update on the seminar, how to build a profitable consulting business rapidly. Okay. At my last webinar, I released a course. I released a course called Quantum Client Conversion Course, the Quantum Client Conversion Course. That name sounds a little big, but it's self-explanatory. It is how you can easily and elegantly convert your leads into clients without being salesy, without becoming a car salesman, and you convert more and more people. The more you get into it and you learn what to do. That course, I released that course for £997, and we sold a lot of it. What I'm actually would like to share with you is at that webinar, or for those of you that were present at that webinar, I've got two powerful feedback from people that bought that course. Because in addition to that course, we gave around more than £10,000 worth of resources to those people who paid instantly for that course. That is the way I work. Is I want to teach people how to take prompt action, because that actually will help their business better than any strategy or any actions they take. Act promptly in your business. So those people, they got very great value, in excess of £10,000. Anyway, a quick update is I've got a feedback from one of those who purchased it. It's just less than 2 weeks now. It's less than 2 weeks, that webinar. Came back and told me that, she used to convert like 1 out of 20 leads, because we also gave them a lead generation package, in addition to buying that client conversion course. He said instead of converting 1 out of 20, sometimes 1 out of 30, now with just spending a few days learning that course, she's already converting 3 out of 10. That's miraculous, and that's impressive. What I want to share with you is I'm gonna take a snippet out of that course and bring it to the seminar. Despite the fact that we have limited time for that seminar, I'm just gonna bring the nitty-gritty that you can easily implement in your business immediately and get results. I'm gonna bring it to that seminar. Okay, so I want you to be on the lookout for even more resources from me, if time permits. But if not, I'll catch you up at the seminar at this studio, Camden. The address and everything will be sent to you. I think you've got the address already anyway. So make sure you remind yourself, put a time in your calendar, put a sticky note on your monitor, and make sure you don't miss this for any reason. For those of you who sign on free, the early birds ones, congratulations, because the next time I'm doing this seminar, I'm gonna be charging nothing less than £300 for you to get in. So if you miss this one, you miss out, and you have to pay through your nose to get into my next seminar. Okay, thank you very much for listening, and I hope to see you on the day. We're gonna have fun, food and drink as well. All right, thank you very much, and I'll speak to you later. Bye for now.